All together now, boo-hoo-hoo.
Tortoise Sue is a turtle who lost her shell on the street outside my window. I was there, I saw the gust of wind blow, leaving her naked as a bone. But the saddest thing of all together now, boo-hoo-hoo, is that she lost her carry-all, and in it she had brought a thing or two. Bullfrog Zeke, with his puffed up cheeks, said,
"My dear,
in his customary coldness,
I dare say you need a certain boldness to be seen in your birthday suit."
but the saddest thing of all together now, boo-hoo-hoo, the candy in her carry-all could have sweetened up the sour puss. Cabbage Jean, the virtuous green, said,
"I cannot abide by all this lewdness. I've a skirt to cover up your nudeness. You'll be cute in a green tutu."
but the saddest thing of all together now, boo-hoo-hoo, the gag within her carry-all could have been used in silencing the prude. Have you seen her dressed in green? Tortoise Sue looking like a cabbage roll, all alone in the street out for a stroll, nibbling on her delicious dress.